Imagine living here, 30 Riverside Drive in Ashland, New Hampshire, where you can literally kayak, paddleboard, or fish right out your doorstep. Imagine, or put your boat in 3/10 of a mile up above the dam and go up to Squam Lake. Welcome to this beautifully renovated waterfront home on Squam River near Ashland Town Center. This 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home features multiple entertaining spaces with water views on all 3 levels, including a den seemingly perched over the water and a walkout lower level right at the water's edge. Features an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and natural wood alongside thoughtful upgrades in true post and beam home. Enjoy fishing, swimming, kayaking, or canoeing right off your brand new 30-foot dock, or cozy up to the large wood-burning fireplace and watch the ducks swim by. Build a lifetime of waterfront memories in this beautiful Ashland, New Hampshire home at a very reasonable price. Potential to add a bathroom in the lower level for long or short-term rental with a separate entrance. Less than a minute drive to Little Squam Lake boat ramp. As a resident, you will also enjoy access to Ashland's beach on Little Squam, just under 2 miles away. Discounted boat valet service available for a season from River Edge Marina on Squam Lake, also less than 2 miles away. Boat valet here at River Edge Marina on Squam Lake, just below the covered bridge, right near the public beach.